Hey guys, this is our ABC writing tablet, page 35 and 36. All right, so we are practicing the letter N. The letter N for baby bird who did not want to jump out of her nest, and she said, All right, so our lowercase n is going to be in the downstairs. It's pull down with a hump, pull down with a hump, pull down with a hump, pull down with a hump. Our capital N is going to be in the upstairs and the downstairs. It's a pull down, slant right, push up. 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 All right, let's trace the letter N on the nut. Pull down, push up. Now let's look right here. It says circle the blend. So the blend is going to be n, na, and then t, nut. That word is nut. Let's flip it over on the back. Write your capital N. It's going to be in the upstairs and the downstairs. Pull down, slant right, push up. Lowercase is a pull down with a hump. Capital, pull down, slant right, push up. Pull down with a hump. Pull down, slant right, push up. Pull down with a hump. All right. Our lowercase e is a push across, up, and around, and it's in the downstairs under the dotted line. So let's add our N and our E to make a blend. Pull down with a hump, push across, up, and around. Let's write that blend. N, eh, ne. All right, this says draw a line from the ball to the net. So right there. Circle the blend you hear in the word net. 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 Good. So let's read these blends. Na. Ne. 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 Na. 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 Ne. Ni. Na. Na. Bye, sweet friends.